Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. I hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we are continuing our book series with one of my favorite books in the world, and probably a book most of you have already heard of. Today we're going to be talking about The Compound Effect from Darren Hardy. This book is such an incredible book, and I'm sure has changed the lives of thousands of people. Now, the full title of the book is actually Compound Effect, Jumpstart Your Income, Life, Your Success. And yep, that's true. This book taught me the value of the little things. Success, habits, therefore your life, are really a series of small things added up over time. If you make one extra call a day, you're not going to notice the difference after the first week, second week, third week. But after 3-6 months, years, 2 years, 3 years, those extra calls will add up and make a huge difference. Same reason why if you just do a few extra push-ups or do one extra open house, but continuously do it over time, those little steps add up to huge differences in your life. That was my takeaway from The Compound Effect, and that doesn't even do it justice. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend too The Compound Effect from Darren Hardy. And if you have read it and have any examples of how it's changed your life, please share your examples below. People need to know the power of the compound effect.